Alright. What's going on, guys? Austin, Drove Northwest, here with Pete, of course.
Hello.
Let's actually show them what I just picked up, because if you guys saw in the last video, I got these Black Edition wheels with this car, which I wasn't going to run them, so I posted them up, and I got a good offer for a trade. So I got 1100cc injectors, 2 fuel pumps, and a full exhaust system, minus the downpipes. So, oh fuck! So we're gonna be installing these here. That's a good thumbnail right there. But yeah, the car right now just has a mid pipe on it, so it's gonna be a lot louder. I'm gonna shoot some flames. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. All right, so now we're gonna jack it up simultaneously. Hopefully I don't fall over.
It's like synchronized swimming.
Synchronized swimming. 1 pump jump. Here we go.
I don't know why, but I feel like this is sketchy.
I gotta go faster because my pumps are a lot smaller. Dude, this is sick. Why didn't I buy another one a long time ago?
Is it even?
I don't know. It looks like we're doing a pretty good job though.
Yeah, this is actually not that bad.
Changing out the twin turbos in the back. Okay.
Is that decent enough to crawl under?
Dude, that's hella room.
Holy, we did that quick. Holy shit.
Yeah. So now it's time to go take off all the under trays. Alright, so here's the underside of GTR. I don't know if you guys have seen it. This, of course, right here is not factory, but everything else, all these under trays, that's what you're looking at. This is some factory aero by Nissan.
Fancy.
So, it's pretty straightforward. We just got to take off that panel right there where the light's at, and then this one right here, and then we'll be exposed to the whole exhaust. So, that will be pretty good. I'm pretty sure Mike's filming us right now. Dude, check out this puff.
You put this on the bolt or what?
What?
You don't want me to pick it up?
Yeah, you're good. Just
Okay.
set it on top.
Yeah, I'm wondering if I can rest it on you first. It's like a bit
Is it heavy?
I might actually, but where you want
Falls
it?
backwards.
Put it on top of that.
Okay. Can I put it like flat? Or like, you probably shouldn't put it on like the grooves.
Don't overthink it.
Well,
Here,
now I'm
flip
gonna-
it. Flip it.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Check out this. Oh, hey guys.
Hello.
Baby.
Let's get all these bolts.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't like this. I'm trying to be extra careful. This is a really long diffuser. Holy moly.
It's actually quality. Actually functional.
Like legit.
Like legit. Bolts out. Check out how restricted this catback is. It's insane. Like check all these weird bends. Oh my god, it's gonna be so loud.
Yeah, you felt like you can see.
Isn't that crazy?
I still bet this is louder than the ones Roman gave you, Peter.
Probably.
Think-
Is it almost?
Damn.
You know who I am?
Austin Scott?
Break shit.
Oh.
Damn. What's that mean?
Oh!
Austin installs Josh's cheap catback. Scott.
That thing's leaking.
Makes
like
it fit,
crazy.
Scott. Yeah, that's what he said.
What?
Look how many screws are on.
Oh, dude. It's out.
Look how much crap you have to take off just to place the mufflers.
Not these ones right here.
Look at this, dude.
You're right.
Oh, and that one over there.
Okay.
Look at all that you gotta do just to do the mufflers.
Hey,
He's got the rest off, right? You have the rest of it off.
yeah. We got 4 more. And then we finally start cracking on this thing.
Yeah.
Where's that?
Look at all this, guys. Look at that. Crazy, man.
There's shit all around this. Oh, there we go.
It's up your butt.
Yeah, there's literally stuff all around this. And I'm going to lose some stuff, but it's going to be more efficient. Mike, the camera's that way.
Hey, shut up, man. I'm
Not
trying,
pretty-
man.
not
I'm
pretty
trying.
enough. I know. Thanks.
No, no.
Thanks, bud.
It'll be more artistic if you're in the corner. it if I was pointing it directly at you. So you should be thanking me, but whatever.
Yeah, you gotta angle your shots.
Yeah. How about I angle it right here? Watch out, dude.
Dude, this is heavy.
Dude, this is gonna fall.
Dude, you better hold this. This is heavy. Oh, you're gonna hold it one side, it's gonna just ding me in the head. Oh, fuck.
Ding that, dude.
There we go.
Ready? Dude, that's heavy.
Let it go.
How heavy do you think it is, Brian? Just give me a rough estimate.
It's a few pounds.
Oh, a few pounds? Must be
What are we
titanium.
holding it on?
Okay.
It's not coming out.
This is, yep, that's exactly. Jeez. Hey, man. What's over here?
You're trusting me with
Huh?
your life?
I got
Is
the
there
flag
more?
to fit in.
Did you?
Do we have to?
Did you actually?
No, I threw it over the fence.
We just gotta push it
Oh.
forward.
I think we gotta go back. Turn forward. Oh, wait, where? You gotta get those.
This
tips
car
off.
doesn't want to. It just doesn't want to. Dude, watch it fall on your head.
Probably.
Look at it laugh.
Oh, hello.
Hello. Okay, here we go. We're gonna shoot this way.
Holy shit.
It almost killed us.
Dude.
Hey, it came off though. I mean, shit.
Wait, are we banging out on anything? Do we have to take the tips off?
Yeah.
I think you do.
Do we?
I'm pretty sure.
I didn't read the instructions.
Nobody
TJ
ever reads
TJ
this.
actually took his off.
Yeah.
TJ took his tips off.
Tip because damn tips off, eh?
Did he?
Yeah, he did.
What a pussy.
Yeah, I don't know how these are gonna get out.
No, yeah, it's dude. Yeah, you gotta take the tips
Or
off.
take these off.
Yeah, you can take the cover off.
I'll just take the cover off. Fuck that shit. Damn it. Nuts.
So many fucking bolts.
Oh, dude. Look at the pile, man. Like, there's so many.
Are we cut? I think
Ridiculous.
we're cut over here. That's fucking. Oh, yep. Oh, that's okay. Ready?
Money or what, man?
Possibly. Impossible.
Just like doing the same thing.
Wait. We take this off. Oh, yeah, Lucky Charms. Yeah, maybe not. Are we caught on anything over there? No, we're free. We're free. We're hanging out. Maybe lift your side up a little bit.
Where's it hitting on?
I think my side's free. It's like that side.
It sounds like the tips are way out.
Should we just take?
Alright, guys, so they finally got the axle back out. And so, let's just take a look at the stock GTR axle back. Look how restrictive it is. It was unnecessary bends. Pretty cool looking, though, to be honest. I actually kind of like it. But,
Yeah. No, it's a weird looking exhaust design, but it works, I guess.
and then, got the new, what, HKS?
No, these are apparently Manzo.
Manzo, eh?
It says it on the side right here. Right here, actually.
Okay.
Manzo.
Manzo.
But the mid pipe's HKS. So
Okay. So this is what Austin's putting on. As you can see, yeah, way less restrictive and a lot less unnecessary bends. So it's pretty dope, actually.
pretty sweet.
Yeah, probably sound really good. Probably.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
It will.
Okay, yeah.
You sound like Zilla.
Ready to do it?
Oh shit. Alright, well, got the new exhaust on. It's pretty late. We had to run to Walmart to get some bolts to make it fit, but it's on. Mike's gonna show a little bit. You can't really tell, but they're actually titanium tips. Pretty common on GTRs to do titanium tips and everything. But it's all on. It's mid pipe, back all the way to the tips, stock down pipes. But let's fire her up and hear a cold start.
Oh yeah.
Man, thanks for Brian for helping, and you guys for filming hand tools. It's gonna be so loud.
I'm just gonna wake up in the neighborhood.
Yeah, for real.
Ready?
I like it.
A lot louder than it was.
The end of the shot, I'm sorry.
It's not that loud though.
It's not crazy loud.
Huh?
It's not crazy loud.
It's like bassy though.
Yeah.
I'm sure when you're on it too, it's gonna be crazy.
Yeah, that's not bad at all. Sounds like a GTR.
That sounds really good. Yeah, you can hear it way far away.
It's way better.
It was so quiet before. Now you can actually hear it.
Bubbly too.
It got really cold.
No, yeah, it really did.
I'm not used to being like out this late.
Oh, I know. Yeah, really cold.
That thing hauls.
Yeah, no shit.
Dude, we were spinning that whole time.
Dude, that sounds so much better.
Does it?
Yeah, dude.
I feel really bad now I got on. Alrighty guys, I was looking back at the video I was just editing and I never shot an outro, so I'm just going to show you guys what the exhaust kind of looks like during the daytime. Not really in the sun, but I'll show you what it looks like right back here. As you can see, titanium tips right there, a little dirty. I never cleaned it up before I put it on, so I'm going to do that probably later today. But here it is. Haven't really driven it too much to see how much louder it actually is on like the highway and everything, but it definitely sounds a lot better as I was just watching the video. But yeah, so I'm pretty pumped on it. Install was it was actually really easy. It's just a lot of pop clips from the undertrain stuff, but that's no big deal. Here's the stock tips. Stock tips are actually huge, but I'll just keep those around for fun. And here's an extra mid pipe I have. So yeah, that's about it for the install on the exhaust and the GTR. Car's filthy right now. It's basically a routine maintenance is keeping this car clean and the paint decent. You can't really you can get it perfect, it just takes a lot of time. But yeah, so that was it for the install. Next I have fuel pumps, injectors, and intercooler pipes type things. And then after that, save up some money, and then we're going to do a big turbo kit already on it. So that should be a lot of fun. Oh, and then I also have, so this has the V2 access port, the vintage one, really old. I just purchased one from Cobb with the upgraded V3 with the TCM apps, so I can change with the shifting on the tranny and how the tranny like drives and everything like that. So I'm excited for that. That's coming in this coming Friday. Today's Tuesday, the 4th of July, so I just want to wish you guys all a happy 4th of July and stay safe out there. Fireworks are pretty dangerous. Yeah, blow some shit up, dude. It'll be fun. But yeah, so that's it for the install. If you guys enjoyed this video, drop a like down below. As always, leave a comment. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.